Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, September 1 to 3, 2021. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. To begin the first day of September, here's the latest graph set. Beginning today until tomorrow, September 2, we still have the InterTropical Convergence Zone affecting most parts of the country, where some thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening will be expected. So this is the common occurrence when we don't have any tropical cyclone or low pressure systems. But right now we have a couple of low pressure area developing. One we have here developed from a surface trough near Hainan Island, a shallow one moving towards the southern coast of China. So this is a non-threat to our country, so we will not focus on that system. And the InterTropical Convergence Zone connects towards a surface trough to the northwest of Palau, or north of Palau. And we have another cloudiness here, but it's not yet, it's only a part of the ITCZ and the surface trough. And outside of PAR, we have a subtropical system which developed into a possible tropical disturbance or low pressure area, and it's now 93W. So this LPA has a lower chance of developing into a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours, but moving forward, it may become the next tropical cyclone as it moves towards a frontal system. So this system is also a non-threat to any parts of Asia and the Pacific. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. If we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. Building thunderstorms all across the Philippine Islands because of the InterTropical Convergence Zone. And we have here the low pressure system, 93W, moving fast towards the frontal system located over Japan. And if we take a look at our latest windy.com zoom-in satellite animation for the Philippine Islands, lots of thunderstorms all across the country. These are isolated to scattered ones, so it's very hard to pinpoint every one of them. So expect thunderstorms with rains, lightning, and thunder, which may cause some flash floods and landslides in areas affected by this rain system. So just bring your umbrellas, jackets when you go out of the house in the morning, as in the afternoon we expect this daily occurrence of these local thunderstorms since we are located in the tropics. Okay, so that's the latest. If we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Friday, it's all the same. Thunderstorms, thunderstorms, and thunderstorms every afternoon in various portions of the country. We have over Luzon, Palawan, Visayas, and Mindanao. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, this is the latest one for the windy.com. This is for the next 3 days. Again, the InterTropical Convergence Zone will remain across the Philippine Islands. And tomorrow we could see some approach or the shift of the winds from the southwest affecting Calayan Island Group and the West Philippine Sea. So there might be recurring of the slight or a weak habagat or southwesterly surface wind flow. And on Friday it will start to move across Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, Western Visayas, and the western sections of Luzon. So we might see a slight southwesterly surface wind flow, not yet a full-blown habagat, but it could bring some light winds. But again, the thunderstorms will remain because of this southwesterly surface wind flow, which will enhance more thunderstorms across our country. So far, that's the latest. And if we take a look at the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, issued every week, and this is valid for the next 2 weeks. This is the forecast outlook. If we take a look at our first week, September 1 to September 7, we could see above average rainfall over the southern portions of the Philippine Islands. That includes southern Palawan, central Palawan, southern and central Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, and southern and western Mindanao. So these are above average rainfall with higher probability between September 1 to 7, but all clear, no tropical cyclone development to the east of the Philippine Islands. And on week 2, valid September 8 to 14, above average rainfall will be expected across the Philippine Islands and parts of Southeast Asia, but it is at 50% confidence or 50% probability. So it's not yet sure if this will push through. So this will be the forecast beginning September 8 to September 14. Possible development of low pressure systems, which is not expected to become a tropical cyclone, is likely next week. And so far that's the latest. We are glad we are still continuing with the quietude scenario here over the Western Pacific without any tropical cyclone development. So it's quite weird since we are moving into a global warming stage of our planet. So some chaotic situation are occurring, different scenarios, like the absence of the monsoon, the absence of tropical cyclones. But it's still a sign that we might be moving into a slight La Nina this fall until early spring. So that will be beginning October until February. So watch out for that, for possible slight La Nina. So we are on the lookout across the Western Pacific beginning this Burr months, September, October, November, December, for possible development of another tropical cyclone, of back-to-back tropical cyclones, which let's hope and pray. Let's hope and pray that it won't push through, since we are having some hard time already because of this pandemic. Okay, so far that's the latest for today, Wednesday, first day of September, and we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.